The jungle's birds that imitate sounds of rain. In the jungle, some birds have developed an incredible ability to imitate the sounds of rain. One of the most remarkable species is the Drongo, known for its mimicry skills. These clever birds mimic the sound of rain to manipulate other animals, often tricking them into hiding or abandoning food. By creating a false sense of approaching rain, Drongos can swoop in and steal the prey or food left behind by confused animals. This form of vocal mimicry showcases the Drongo's intelligence and adaptability in the wild, using sound as a tool for survival in a competitive jungle ecosystem.